Okay, you will see here, this is the Santrex Schneider hybrid inverter charger. You will see from here, the one that blinking is the inverter. When it is flashing, it means it's selling. So right now, it's blinking. It's how I'm selling to the grid. 1.16 kilowatt. It says kilowatt. So it means kilowatt means I'm selling 1,190 kilowatt per hour, while the status of my storage cell or storage battery support is complete as 5 bars. I have connected to the grid. I am connected to the grid right now, and that's why I am capable of selling what energy I have right now. I just hurriedly, because I saw this while ago, it's 4. So to continue my video, I will look at it again. Now you see, I'm selling 4.1, 3.9, 3.8, 3.9, again 4, meaning I'm selling 4,000 watts per hour. 4,000 watts to 3,000, depends on now the strength of the sunlight or the solar activities. Alright, so this is it. I am selling from my equipment. I'm selling 4,150 watts per hour. 1,150 watts. Alright, from here you will see the status of our system. It is monitoring also, and from there I have the okay, that is a network for monitoring, and this is the main equipment, hybrid. The hybrid is currently, now I'm selling 3,000 watts and counting. When the sun goes up at the strength, I can sell 4,300 at the maximum, but the capacity of my inverter is to up to 5,000. Why I'm selling 4,000? What is left on my load? You see, the inverter itself is a hybrid, and the setup could be like, when the sun is up, I am harvesting solar energy that converted it to AC. It is set as hybrid, configured as hybrid, and the priority settings are like powering up the load will be like from the sun. When the sun goes down, the battery is there. When the battery is there, the grid will take control of it or take over seamlessly without the human intervention. Alright, what are those power that I am harvesting? what are the capacities of this? Question. The inverter, the total watts of my solar panel on the roof is already on the maximum of 58 solar panel, and that's it. 58 of those. It's a mix-up because I have to mention to you this installation is already 10 years. The first installation we have 10 years. At 2013 I have already installed this, and till then, until now, since then until now, it's working. 2023, so it's 10 years. 10 years still harvesting the quality of sunlight, the solar activities. Depends on the activity of the solar. Now it goes down to 1520, as you will see. And from this inverter, I have what you call the main box of combiner. You won't believe the inverter setup, it needs a combiner because of the multiple installation of 60 panels. Yeah, it's total 60 panels of 20 kilowatt setup on the residence of a 3-story building. This setup, I have here the DC combiner and AC combiner as a combination in this one box, because on that time 2013 there is no such DC combiner, AC combiner in the market. So this I build up in the simple way, like this is a circuit breaker panel at this size, having 2 rows. One on the top is the AC combiner, and down below is the DC combiner, aside from what I have outside. This is my grounding. Outside I have a hub, DC hub, which is these 2. All blacks and all red are there, interconnected to all of these on the top. I say 1. Okay, that is solar controller 1, solar controller 2, solar controller 3, and this one is another solar setup of 6 panel, while I'm having this as additional 6 panel also. And down below I have another one, another controller, meaning all of this setup are going to this inverter, the hybrid. It's selling now 3,600 at the moment, 3,600 watts, leaving up the load of this 3-story building, which has the capacity of more than 5 kilowatt, the load. So I'm still selling up 3,200. Okay, now you will see here what are the supports of this equipment. What supports that we have here, these are my battery ESS, I could say, energy storage system. I don't need to convert this one right now with the lithium batteries, because lithium batteries may confuse my old model, the Santrex hybrid inverter charger. But this controller charger, I have already read the manual of this. This can charge out your lithium battery. But since lithium battery I have to produce must be the exact capacity that currently I have. So it will just cost me a lot if I'm going to change this to lithium. By then I let it go. Let it be the old type, which is the gel type, tubular size battery. Double decker as the 200 amps down below. So I have all of these batteries with 200 amps each. See? The current charge right now is 50, controlled by this controller. Now you are thinking the 60 solar panel, if the capacity of this is 60 ampere, you divide it by the voltage and how much the capacity is. So that is how many solar panel can you input on this control panel. Roughly it is only 6, and then 6. We have already 24 panels of the varieties of voltage, because on 2013 I have a solar already on my house with the highest from that date is 270. Imagine 270 watts. Nowadays, at the moment of I'm speaking, now on the market we have 570 watts per solar panel. So look at the big difference now. So it means, how about the others? Well, what are the other connection? How do it goes in the connectivities of all of this running on this, running only on single inverter? Okay, now tell you, this is the AC combiner. This is the DC combiner down below. The output of this is going to the inverter, because the inverter has the AC input and output, so it's connected to AC combiner there. While the DC, it runs and operates the system on the DC boards, 48 volts. I have also here, it coming out from here. Although the remaining 58 are remaining from the 60 solar panel, how they are connected? It is connected individually. Because right now, what my setup is, from this setup, I have still equipment down here. Yeah, it's here. You see, this is a 5 kilowatt grid tie inverter. 5 kilowatt grid tie inverter. Okay. All right. And I have the 2.5 or 2,500 kilowatt grid tie inverter. See? There you are. And down below, I have still Goodway 2013 equipment. These are the old models of Goodway products. But minding you, these are durable and dependable equipment. Especially this Wolong, the 5,000 grid tie inverter. Okay. Now, let us do this way. The solar panel are here on my roof. Not my roof, on the third floor, but having those light installation that I've made. It's all bracket, not the only bracket type, the modest one, but the old one, having 1.9 by 98. What you call this, railings, and supports what you call the support for this railings are the bracket or the C-parlings I mean, and all those to stand up this installation a maximum of Yolanda wind speed or wind force. You know Yolanda wind force. Alright, now in this side also I have the 2.5 grid tie inverter. Down below a setup of this is another 2.5 and another 2.5. All of these are working. All of these are working. It's harvesting 1034 watts. This one is harvesting 1714 watts. The same as the above. These are the real-time grid tie which directly being utilized for the load. Okay, so let us bring back our main equipment somewhere there. Alright, this is up now, as you will see. Okay, a little messy on my part because this is the installation of more than 10 years now. 2013 is 2023. No changes on everything, but still, look at it harvesting 4,100 watts per hour. As I repeat once more, this arrow means is this, meaning it is inverting. When it's flashing, it is selling. Huh? So the condition right now is I am selling, at the same time feeding the load of power. Inverting it to from DC to 2200 or 220 AC household voltage. Alright, I'm connected to the grid and completely no alarm. Alright, with the battery level 5 bars, and I'm still selling 394, 3.9 kilowatts, and coming up 4.3 kilowatt, something like that. Meaning the daily consumption that I have here and the energy that I'm harvesting already suffice my requirement to feed my load completely for the whole day. Having also that I have the battery pack, ESS, the bat, I can stand up to somehow 3 o'clock in the morning using the energy that is left from the morning. Okay, so when this all is here, it's connected all from this box. From this connectivity will goes all to battery, and it controls the charging by this port. All right. But why I'm having a much 4,000 watts, where I get those energy. All right, those energy, those solar panel which is not fitted on this for the capacity of each controller. Sorry, I have directly putting up a side dive. You see, this is for 12 panel, this is for 6 panel, and this is for 6 panel, and this is for 6 panel, aside from my wind turbine. All right, wind turbine. All right, so these are these things. All right, now let us see. The sun is already slowing down, but still I have 830 watts. The sun is slowing down, you see. It's cloudy now here, and it's about to rain. See? Now, this is just only showing you the old connection, the old connectivity, 2013 hybrid type, which is now on the trending on the solar, but 2013 I have already here, and this is very reliable equipment. If you know this, grab this equipment. Schneider. Alright, so much of it. Thank you very much. That's your video. Just I'm happy to share what I have right now, and from there I'll see you again. Thank you.